Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful Christmas ball earrings. You could use so many different variations of these beads. When I show you the pattern, you could use round beads. Here I'm using donut shaped beads, but if you use round beads they will look completely different. And if you use larger beads, you could even make decorations for the Christmas tree. And don't forget that when you change colors and the size of beads, you could have so many different variations of what we've done here. And it's really easy to make, and when you learn this pattern, you will be able to have so much fun and experiment, and I will show you really easy step by step, so please stay with me. If you want to support me, it's a good idea to subscribe if you still haven't, and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And it's a good idea to hit the bell because sometimes I make matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, and in this way you will be able to make beautiful sets for you or for your friends. And now Christmas is coming, so I want to help you with your presents. If you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. I promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments, and if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what you need for this tutorial are 6/0 beads, 8/0 beads and 11/0 seed beads. As I told you in the beginning, you could use only round beads or these donut shaped beads, or you could use only 8/0s and 11/0s, or only 8/0s, whatever you want. When I show you the pattern, you could experiment with so many different beads. And I'm using here ear wires and jump rings. Here I use fireline, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 in millimeters, and I'm using size 10 beading needle, and I'm using scissors and flat nose pliers. Now here I put thread on my needle and I'm going to start. Okay, so in my first step I'm going to take 5 of these beautiful 6/0s. Okay, and here I will use only 5 beads at every step. Okay, and I'm sliding those beads down, and here I want to make a knot, and I'm making my knot by making a loop and going once, twice, you could do even 3 times through the loop you've made and pull. Then I will make one more knot like that, and this is what I have here. Okay, now I will go with my needle through this bead here. So now this is what I have, and I will take next 4 beads. I told you I will have 5 beads at every step, but this time I'm taking 4 because here I will use this one as 5th, and I will go through it, and my 2 spheres of beads share 1 bead, you see. Then in my next step, pay attention, I'm going through the following bead of my first element. Okay, and in this step I'm taking 3 beads, but I'm still going around 5 because I'm going to use 1 bead from this element and 1 bead from this element. I will again make a circle of 5, but using beads from my other elements. Okay, and I will go through my next bead here, and what I need to take are 3 more 6/0s like that, and I'm going back in circle through these 2 beads, and I have 5 again. So I'm decreasing. I started from 5, then 4, then 3. Okay, I will still have 3 beads in this step. Go through 2 more. So one of my elements, the first one I did, is like a center, and I'm circling around with beads. Okay, And this is my last fifth step, and pay attention here what I have. 1, 2, 3 beads, and because I wanna finish my circle, I'm going to use these 3 beads and add 2 more, again making a circle of 5. But then I use 3 beads from 3 neighboring elements. Okay, now I have this. It looks just a little bit odd, but my idea is to bend it to the center and start making my sphere by making the first semisphere. Okay, then I will go through this bead here, and in my next step I will take again 3 beads. Okay, I have 3, and I'm going to use these 2 beads here that are separate from each other, and I want to connect them. Okay, adding 3 more and making 5 again. Okay, in this row I'm starting with adding 3 beads, and then I will go through these 2 beads because I want to connect them and bend them to the center. And now I will turn to C. Now you see you have 1, 2, 3 beads, and then what I need are 2 more, as you know, because I'm always making the magic 5. Okay, pulling, going in circle through all of the beads that I added. Okay, now you see how my semisphere is trying to bend. Okay, now I'm going through these 2 beads. Remember, here I'm connecting the beads that are away from each other, so I'm going through them. 1, 2, 3 I have, then I need 2 more. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay, going here, going through this one, then connect those 2 that are away from each other. You see, 1, 2, 3, and I want 2 more, like that, going around in circle through them. Okay, here is what I have. Okay, these 2 are away from each other. I want to make them stay together, so I'm going through them, and here you see I have 1 more bead to use. This is from the first element of this row, and here at this step you see what I have: 1, 2, 3, 4 beads, and as I go through this one, you see 4 beads here, because this is my last step. And here when I take 1, I will again have the magic 5 beads. It's just here is the place where the first and the last element of this row meet. Okay, and this is my last 5 beads element here. You see, here it is. And now what I have here are 5 beads that need to be connected in a circle. They are not connected, but I will connect them now. Okay, I'm going through 2 of them, 2 more, and here the last 2. Then I will go 1 more time. Okay, now you see my sphere is ready. But I need a final touch here. You see how my thread is showing and it's not too hard. That is why what I want to do is circle around those flowers and add some beads to fill the gaps. Okay. I will start with these seed beads. I will fill the gaps, the smaller gaps, with seed beads. Okay, this beautiful golden color. Okay. Like that. Now what I want to take is one of these ethos and I will fill the gap in the middle by going through one of my opposite beads in the same direction where my thread is pointing to, and I'm pulling. Now I have this bead in the middle of my work. Okay. If you don't want your thread to show, you could use monofilament that is transparent. Now I'm showing with fireline because my thread is better seen this way, and you told me so many times that you want to see my thread. That is why I'm using black background and a white thread just to see. And when I use monofilament, it's transparent, and whatever type of mat I use, you can't see what I'm doing. Okay, now I will repeat this with my next element. Okay, when I pull, I have this, you see. I will show you with one more of my elements how I'm doing this, and then I think you get the idea, so you will be able to do this by yourself. Okay, going around here. By the way, if you like the result, now it's time to give me thumbs up to like it and share my work. In this way you help me so much. You can't imagine how much you help me. So if you want to see more of me, this is one way to support me. Okay, now this is the next one. Okay, I did 3, and I think you could do this by yourself everywhere, and I will do this off camera, and when I'm ready I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now here I am where I want to add my last bead from this row. Okay, now this is what I have. Now I will go here and find a place to make a knot. Okay, let's say here, going once and second time through the loop I made, I'm pulling tight, going through the following bead. Okay, and now I'm going to cut my thread like that. Okay, like that. Now guys, in my next step, what I want to take is my ear wire and my jump ring. Okay, and I will take my pliers as well. I will take my jump ring. I will open this up and I will go here through this bead. Let me focus. Then I will put my ear wire and I'm squeezing back like this. And here it is guys, my earring is ready. The other one I did with monofilament, and you see how the thread is not showing. I think probably it's better. So if you want, you could use monofilament as well. Okay guys, and these are my Christmas beaded balls. If you use bigger and larger beads, you could put them on the Christmas tree. You could use round beads if you don't like these donut-shaped beads that I used here. And don't forget that when you change colors, you could have so many different interesting variations, smaller or bigger. So when you learn this pattern, you could have so much fun and change the colors and everything. So if you want to support me, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And it's a good idea to do this because I make matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, and in this way you will be able to make beautiful sets. And if you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action, and I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.